In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Temu, set your delivery country, and understand whether import taxes will be paid during checkout or later when your order arrives. To get started, open Temu and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure your delivery country is set correctly before you shop. This step is important because Temu uses your destination country to calculate shipping details, availability, and in some cases whether import duties and taxes can be collected at checkout. If the wrong country is selected, the information you see may not match what actually applies to your order. After that, browse as usual and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. Take your time here and make sure the product's quantities and any size or color selections are correct. Since taxes and customs charges can sometimes depend on the total value of your order, it's a good idea to be aware of how much you're spending before moving to payment. Once your items are in the cart, head to the checkout summary. This is the key place to review whether your country qualifies for delivered duty paid, also known as DDP. If DDP applies, Temu will collect the relevant import taxes directly during checkout. That means the charges are handled upfront, which can make the delivery process smoother and help avoid surprise fees later. Carefully read the order breakdown and look for any indication that duties, import fees, or taxes are already included. If you see that DDP is applied, simply complete your payment as you normally would. In that case, Temu has already collected the import charges that apply to the order, so you can move forward with checkout just like any standard purchase. It's still a smart idea to review your final total before submitting payment so you understand exactly what has been charged. If DDP is not applied, there's one more thing to keep in mind. If your order value goes over your country's duty-free threshold, you may need to pay your local postal service or customs office directly when the package arrives. This means the import charges were not collected online during checkout. So before ordering, it can be helpful to understand your local customs rules and be prepared for a possible payment on delivery or before release of the parcel. That's it. By checking your delivery country, reviewing the checkout summary carefully, and knowing whether DDP applies, you can place your Temu order with a much clearer idea of what to expect.